welcome back to another video. It's your girl Rochelle. So as you all see by the title down below, I'll be doing a video tutorial on how to make a thumbnail for your video. So if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you never miss an upload whenever I drop a video. Please leave a like on the video, spam the comment section. Let me know if this video was helpful to you. Follow me on Instagram at journey_with_rush. Follow my business page at rush_ecommerce. So all the links are going to be in the description right here. So just click the little drop down arrow and it will take you, and just click on the links. Follow my social media pages and stuff like that. So this app that I'll be using, you have a wide variety of things in the app that you can do. You can clone photos in the app, you can blur background and stuff. So what I'll be doing is I'll be showing you how to cut out a photo, add a new background and make a thumbnail. So hope this video was helpful to you all.
Okay, guys.
Alright, say hi.
Hi.
Alright guys, so let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so you're going to go ahead and download Piscart. So this is how the app should look that you're gonna download. So you're gonna download the app, the same exact one. So you should have pink, a little shade of purple and blue. So after you download the app, you're going to open the app. Then after you go in the app, right at the bottom of the screen where the little plus sign is, you're going to click on that. Then after you click on that, you're going to see photos here, videos, replays, collage, templates, background, and a lot more things that you can choose. We're going to click on all photos, and then you're going to go into the folder in which the photo is saved that you're going to use. So mine is in Canon, so I'm going to click on Canon, and then I'm going to find the photo that I'll be using and click on it. Bear in mind, when you're using this app, you're going to have a lot of advertisement. When they pop up, just wait until they count down, and then you just X them off or you just close them. So when you reach right here, right down at the bottom that you see I'm moving, you're going to scroll across to the right, and then you're going to look for cutout. So you're going to click on cutout, and then after you click on cutout, you're going to see these options: person, face, clothes, sky, head, hair, and background. So you can just click on whatever you want to cut out, whether it be the background or the head or the person. So bear in mind, when you do this, the app won't cut out everything perfect for you. So you're still going to have to go over things. So I'm gonna be clicking on person, and after I click on person, you're going to see these three options come up, which is restore, erase, and preview. So preview is to show you how the photo look after you cut it out, and erase is to erase whatever on the photo that you won't be using. Restore is to add in back whatever you erase that you still want on the photo. So you can click on erase or restore and size it down to the size that you would want to use to cut out around the photo or to perfect up your photo. So what I'll be using, so the size that I'll be using is 13. So I'll be using size 13, and what I normally do is when I'm going to cut out a photo, I normally pinch the photo and zoom it in. That way I can cut out the photo accurate to how I would want. So just zoom in the photo, and then you take your time, cut along the edges and cut out the parts that you won't be using for your thumbnail. So after you're finished with the photo that you're working with, you're going to click on save right at the top right hand corner, and then after that is finished loading, you're going to go right at the bottom of the screen again, and then you're going to scroll across until you see fit. So you're going to click on fit, and right here is where we're going to change the background color. But before we do that, I want you all to go in ratio, and then you're going to scroll across, and either you click on YouTube or you click on 16.9. So after you do that, you're going to click on color right beside ratio, and then here is where we're going to change the background. So you can slide across to the right and choose the color of your choice. So if it's a case where you don't want to use a plain background, you can click on background, and these are the different types of background it will give you. If you don't want to use that, you can click on image, and you can scroll to the right and see whichever background you like the most. But for me, I'll be using light pink, so that's the color that I'll be using to my background. So after you finish choosing the background, you're going to click on the photo and place it to the side, or where exactly on the thumbnail you would want it to go. I'll just place mine to the side. Then after you finish doing that, you're going to click on apply right at the top right hand corner. So after you click on apply, it's going to bring you back to the front page, and then you're going to scroll across to the right, and then you're going to click on text. So after you click on text, you're going to type in whatever you would want to add as text to the thumbnail. So I'll just put recognizing numerals because that's what my thumbnail is about. So after you do that, right around the word, you'll see 3 options: a X to delete the words that you just type. You'll see a rotation symbol right at the top right hand corner, and at the bottom you'll see a 2-way arrow to zoom in or zoom out the word. And right here you have a wide variety of colors that you can choose from. So if it's a case where you don't want a plain color, you can click on gradient or texture, and then you can just play with the colors, and then you can just choose a color or so of your choice. But I'll just stick to the white, so I'll be using the white color for my text. So after you do that, right at the bottom of the screen where font is, you're going to click on that, and you can choose a font of your choice. But some of these fonts that you'll see, the ones that has the crown beside them, those you will have to pay for. So if you're not going to pay for those, don't click on them. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to click on apply right at the top of the screen at the right hand corner. And then if you want to add sticker, you're going to click on sticker, and then you can just scroll up and look and see whether it be you want to add an emoji or an arrow. You can just scroll and just look through whatever you would want to add. For me, I'll be adding the numerals 6, 7, 8, and 9, and I'll be changing the colors of the numerals. So I'm gonna be doing that, and then after I'm finished, I'll tell you what to do. So once you've finished with your thumbnail, you're going to click on apply right at the top right hand corner. So after you click on apply, you'll see saving come up on the screen, and then after this is going to come up. So you're going to click on close, and then after you're going to click on apply again. So when you click on apply again, an advertisement is going to pop up on the screen. You're going to wait until that countdown, and then you're going to exit off. Then after, you're going to click on save right at the bottom left hand corner. You're going to click on save, and then after you save, that screen is going to load, and you're going to click on save again right at the bottom of the screen. Then an advertisement is going to pop up. You're going to have to exit that off. Then you're going to click on save, and then you're going to click on done. After all that is complete, you're going to open your gallery or your photos, and then you're going to look and see if you see the photo that you just saved. So this was a photo that I did the first time for my thumbnail for a video. So that was how my first thumbnail looked, and the thumbnail that I just built to show you guys, this is it. So I hope this video was helpful. Please remember to leave a like on the video and let me know down in the comment section if this video was helpful. Thank you all for watching. Bye.